This is so cold. It's freezing in here. I'm just gonna go back to bed. Okay, why is it so cold? Literally, why is it so cold? Oh my god, it's freezing. How do I close these doors? It's so cold. What the delay? Oh my gosh. It's so cold. Wake up! God. Kids, come downstairs. Okay. Mommy called us. Yes, it's freezing. Did the TV just turn on by itself? Yeah. Breaking news. There's a snowstorm coming our way. Stay in comfort and stay on low zones. Go to grocery stores before they run out of food. Guys, I'm gonna get you some warm clothes. Go upstairs, we're gonna get some warm clothes on, okay? Okay, let's all go upstairs. In your closet with warm clothes. Oh, girl, you guys have freezing. It's cold up here. Yeah, it's so cold, Mommy. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys the warm clothes, okay? Okay, push the couch, okay. There's a long time ago because the suitcase would be doing some really warm clothes. It's nearly the middle of the summer. Well, I don't know. I guess it's times. I put one in your room. Okay, everyone. Oh, my room's freezing. Nothing.
This is a little song I don't know Max could play.
Why does she have a warmer one than that? Because she's anemic. This is just really anemic. You guys are not anemic at all. The baby doesn't have that seriously. Okay, now it's time to go to the grocery store. So let's go to the grocery store.
The bulldozers are due at the park in a few days. Sorry.
Okay, I'm just gonna go here. Guys, did I not feel that? Yeah, I'm gonna go to that
Our lawyers have approved it, so hours.
Okay, that's so much better. I know. Welcome to Slow Mart, where the slow means the mart. Oh, welcome. We got children. Why are you guys still working during a snowstorm? A snowstorm? Have you guys not seen? Yeah, we just came because we need food.
Julie, I didn't need any of it.
Almost everything is gone in this shop. Well, run before more people come. Okay, kids, this is all we need. We need fruits, we need cans, potatoes, and yeah. Okay.
And you've become our safe harbor.
Okay, go, girl. I wanna go on this one, Mom. Why? Girl, I need to ride my stuff. Ooh, chicken, you said? Yep, chicken. Okay. Cabbage. Purple cabbage. You already have that. Like a bunch of purple. Oh, I'm gonna get some food. I think we're gonna need a shopping cart. French fries. Dinosaur? Bagels, cereals, noodles, definitely bread, more bread.
Hey, Miranda.
Did you make it?
Yes, of course.
Long flight, first class though, right? That's what I negotiated.
Please, they offered it anyway.
All right. I forgot you read the email.
No, yeah, the flight was fine. I'm on my way to the rental house now.
Okay, next time, don't make me call you. Your phone's location has been on the move for a while, so I know you had service.
Okay, but if you knew where I was, what does it matter if I called?
Safety. Traveling alone, you gotta check in with someone.
All right.
Don't be a stranger.
I won't. Talk to you later.
Oh, there's a check by yourself one. Well, just wait. Let's just press this button and just wait for somebody to come. Oh, okay. I just need to scan these. Okay. How are you so top of this store? Well, I need money. And as soon as you guys leave, as soon as I get to go home. Burp. Oh, okay. Burp. 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 Okay.
Thank you. Not too shabby at all.
Are you Louie, the property manager?
No, I'm not. Are you the maid here?
No, I'm the renter.
No, you're not.
Excuse me?
I booked this place for the next few days.
Well, so did I. Here.
Same dates, but I booked through another site.
Hello?
Okay. Let's go back home.
Excuse me, hello. I am Lou.
Maybe a hotel would be better for you then. No more.
Okay,
Sitting.
where are we supposed to think?
I had a meeting in town
Okay,
before I came
I
over
have
here.
not told you guys, but I have this shelter.
Trouble.
Not that far away from here, but I have a shelter, and we can go there right now because it's getting worse.
Agree?
So,
The flight got in late. I can't see it yet.
What do you think of it? Neither have I. Anything?
guys, I'm
Just
gonna
some
stop
ketchup
here because I'm so
and
tired.
syrup.
Goodbye.
False.